Yeah, sure. Had to look at this too about procedural, why this is being filed. This is Georgia law. In fact, after a conviction, they have to file this motion in the trial court before it goes up on direct appeal. It's before the same presiding judge, the same judge that made the same evidential rulings pre-trial about the statement and as the objections came in and the briefs were filed. So there's really no chance. I don't see anything new here. This is really a procedural step that had to be made before the direct appeal up to the appellate division. When I look at these clips, Ted, I think of the balance between public perception and the constitutional rights to remain silent. You see this mother, which probably thought, like, I had to get out there and I had to give this emotional statement when they're looking for my child. And then you also show the interrogation with the police, obviously waiving her Fifth Amendment rights to remain silent because she probably already opened the bag with the public statement, now felt compelled to give that statement right there with law enforcement. And it really evidences this conflict that suspects have during these criminal investigations between what they perceive the public needs to see, the public statement, versus the invocation or lack thereof in the interrogations. And she kept on talking, and it was one of the reasons for her demise once they were able to find the victim in the case and then all of the other evidence about the abuse and the way that she treated this particular child.
Does it matter the type of crime, or is it all just legal decisions that were either erroneous or not in terms of the mindset of an appellate judge typically?
Yeah, when the appellate court looks at these issues on appeal, it depends on what the reason or the error was. Oftentimes, the appellate courts will find errors, but find them to be harmless errors. So it depends, because not all errors result in reversals. So if it's significant enough, if it's constitutional based, oftentimes it doesn't matter how heinous the crimes are, they are reversed. But when the evidence is overwhelming, when there are other reasons for the convictions, when it doesn't rise to a level of the impact that some others do, it could be found to be harmless, which doesn't actually result in a reversal.